Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain Woodmart reviews. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this website and it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple product category including cooking, furniture, lighting, accessories, toys, clocks, electronic items and fashion clothing. And apart from that guys, the company is also offering Woodmart WooCommerce WordPress theme. When you will check out the menu option button and you will see the pages option, then you will find the WordPress theme category option as well. So guys, this was the website's offering details and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's check out the other information related to payment and shipping policy. So guys, you can see some payment modes are available on the web page, which are Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, American Express, Visa and Mastrio. But when you will check out the payment information by visiting the FAQ section, then you will find nothing and you will find duplicate content as this website is under maintenance. So guys, no payment and shipping information is available on this site, which is a bad sign. And now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, starting with the first factor, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information guys, so we are checking the domain info of this site and we are getting the domain info of xtmoss.com, which is 12th June 2015. Yes guys, we are not able to find the exact domain age information of this website link. So again, this is a loophole here. Now let's check out the about us section of this website. So guys, no about us page is available on this website, which is again a bad sign. And talking about contact us details, let's check out the contact us page of this site. So this is the contact us page of this website and you can see the option which is available on the bottom of this web page is redirecting to the home page of this site, which is again a bad sign. And at the bottom of this web page, they have mentioned official address, contact number as well, which seems to be fake, which is again a bad sign. And guys, the site has an unknown trustworthiness score. Apart from that guys, you can see at the top of the website, some social media icons are available on this page, but these social media accounts are inactive and are misleading as well. So this means that the site has no social media presence at all, which is a red high alert. Apart from that, let's check out the return policy of this site. So let's check out the return policy of this website. For that, you need to visit the returns section. But guys, when you click this option, you will be redirected to the homepage of this website again, which is not a good sign. And these are the loopholes guys that shows that we can't trust on this website easily. Now talking about Woodmart reviews guys, we have found review information of Woodmart theme, which is rated 5 stars. It has also more than 14,000 active installs, making it one of the most trusted WordPress themes around. But guys, we have found no reviews about the offerings of this site on the internet. So this is again a red high alert, and the site seems to be not much popular online according to the offerings of this website. So guys, in the final conclusion, I would say the website is under maintenance phase. Various links of this website are inactive and misleading, which is not a good sign. So we can't trust on it, or we can't claim it scam or legit. So we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order anytime. And for money related problem guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. I'll get back to you with another scam alert or legit websites. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.